Hello, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. Today I'm going to show you a really fresh trade-in 2019 130 Sport. Glacier green, full bottom glacier green hull. Has the Mercury 40 horsepower engine. Has the optional teak steps. Very clean boat, bought for Mother's Day. Then they came back in a few weeks later and traded up for a 21 Dauntless. So love their whalers, just wanted a bigger boat. This boat comes boat, motor, and trailer package, and it still has over 2.5 years left of warranty on the boat. So very nice boat. Contact us at marinemax.com. 910-256-8100. Thank you.